Dad's run. Dad went running. Floppy went with him. Dad went running every day. I want to get fit, he said. Biff and Chip went with Dad, they went on bikes. Keep going, Dad, said Biff. Dad had an idea. He wanted to do the fun run. What a good idea, said Mum. But it's a long way to run. Biff and Chip told everyone. Dad is going to do a fun run, said Biff. It's to help children in need. Said Chip, will you sponsor Dad? It was the day of the fun run. They all went to the park. It's a long way to run, said Chip. Go, called a man and the fun run began. Go on Dad, called Kipper. The fun run went around the park. 10 times round the park, said Dad, it's a long way to run. Dad ran well, he ran round the park 4 times. There was still a long way to go. Oh no, Dad's foot went into a hole. Dad fell down. Ouch, said Dad, my foot. A man looked at Dad's foot. You must rest it, he said, you can't run on it. Dad couldn't finish the fun run. What bad luck, said Mum, poor old Dad. Dad was upset. Oh no, he said. Now I can't help children in need. Wilf had an idea. We can push you in the old pram, he said. Wilf and his mum ran home. They got the old pram and ran back with it. Come on Dad, said Chip, get in the pram. We will all push you, said Mum. Dad sat in the pram, they pushed him around the park. Hooray, everyone called, it's not far now. But it's a long way to push a pram, said Mum. Keep going, said Dad. It was the end of the run, the wheels came off the pram, Dad fell out. What a way to end the run, said Dad, but thank you for pushing me. That was a fun run, said Kipper. But it was a long way to push a Dad.